Are you looking for the best drawing tablets under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best drawing tablets under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Frunsi Standalone Drawing Tablet. Frunsi Standalone Tablet. Standalone Portable Drawing Tablet with 1920x1200 HD IPS. High-end monitor ensure a more vivid showing. Mini HDMI and Type-C. Ultra-long battery life. Built-in 5800 mAh battery that support working for 5 hours above. Drawing tablet. Display is a standalone graphics tablet, without any other computer, and you can install even more drawing application from Play Store. Standalone drawing tablets with no computer needed. You can also install even more app with the tablet to share your digital artwork with social media or with your friends and family. The most affordable standalone drawing tablet that comes with a pen and a pre-installed drawing app for those who want to draw pictures or take notes in the classroom. Paint and draw on a portable graphics monitor to breaks down the creative barriers. Allows you to draw and create naturally with the advantage of a digital medium. Android 12 standalone drawing tablet with no computer needed, installed with the latest Android 12, powered by MTK 8183 quad-core CPU chips, comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, supports TF card reading up to 128GB, enough storage for apps and digital drawing. Certification by GMS, FCC and standards provides you the peace of mind for safety as well as quality. Comes with 1-year warranty, along with best customer service our support staff can provide. You can contact us for any questions that you may have. Number 2. XPPen New Artist 10 Tablet. The New Artist series brings an immense leap to the stylus drawing experience with the new X3 chip, giving you the realistic feeling of triditonal pen and paper. Explore a brand new CG world with the X3 chip technology. A wide color gamut of 120% sRGB sees full color presentation and delicate detail expression. Colors are vividly brought to life under your brush. Simplified design comes along with easy portability for you to bring it out in a backpack. Release your creative inspirations anytime, anywhere. Artist 10, 2nd Gen. Drawing display features 6 user-defined shortcut keys. Customize your shortcut keys in your software of choice to simplify your workflow and empower your productivity. Number 3. HUION Canvas 13 Black Tablet. The creative Canvas 13 with eye-catching appearance comes in 3 colors, midnight green, purple violet and Cosmo Black, which provides more choices for users to suit their styles. Canvas 13 is super slim at 11.8mm and weighs only 980 grams, making it an easy-to-carry pen display for outdoor drawing. Besides a Type-C to HDMI connection, Canvas 13 also supports a Type-C to Type-C connection. Users can easily connect laptop that supports Type-C input to Canvas 13 without using Type-C to HDMI adapter. Opening parenthesis Type-C cables need to be purchased separately. Closing parenthesis. Canvas 13 is the first pen display that supports connectivity with an Android device via a full Type-C cable, not included in the package. Users can express their ideas on Canvas 13 whenever and wherever they want. Full HD IPS display with 178 degrees viewing angle and extra wide 120% sRGB color gamut will bring you vivid images with vivid color and detail. The fully laminated screen with an anti-glare screen protector ensures a comfortable viewing experience. The glass combines perfectly with the screen to minimize parallax, and at the same time, the anti-glare screen protector helps to keep your screen clear and transparent even under bright light. Canvas 13 can be easily switched between 2 modes, pen display and pen tablet. The pen tablet mode will be activated when the screen of Canvas 13 is turned off, which not only saves energy, but also gives users another way to express their creativity. With 8 programmable press keys, Kamvas 13 is ergonomically designed to facilitate your operation. Number 4. XPBen Artists 12 Graphic Tablet. A new generation introduces a new chapter. The Artist Series Pen Display, 2nd Gen, upholds our mission to support you to follow your dreams, be bold, and express your true self. Multifunction, multi-size, multicolor. Our new Artist comes with upgrades for an all-new experience. Powered by X3 Smart Chip technology, it also opens more possibilities for your inspiration to flow. The stylus is battery-free and never needs charging, allowing for hours of uninterrupted drawing. With 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, it allows you to create exquisite lines with ease. It supports up to 60 degrees of tilt, making shading easy and effective. With a wide color gamut of 127% sRGB, the new Artist brings a vivid visual experience with brilliant colors and delicate details even on a dark night. Full lamination is applied to the pen display to minimize parallax and provide more accuracy for a natural drawing experience. The new Artist series is available in 4 vibrant colors. Choose your color, personalize your style, and show your unique creativity. Thanks to the 2-shot molding soft rubber design, your display will be nestled safely in its case. Dual ports. The 3-inch-1 cable that supports HDMI signal transmission allows you to connect the pen display to a PC. The full-featured USB-C port makes connection easier with devices such as PCs, Android phones, and Switch, allowing for a tidy desktop. Number 5. XPBen Artists 12/16 Graphic Tablet. The stylus is battery-free and never needs charging, allowing for hours of uninterrupted drawing. With 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, it allows you to create exquisite lines with ease. It supports up to 60 degrees of tilt, making shading easy and effective. With a wide color gamut of 127% sRGB, the new Artist brings a vivid visual experience with brilliant colors and delicate details even on a dark night. Full lamination is applied to the pen display to minimize parallax and provide more accuracy for a natural drawing experience. The 3-inch-1 cable that supports HDMI signal transmission allows you to connect the pen display to a PC. The full-featured USB-C port makes connection easier with devices such as PCs, Android phones, and Switch, allowing for a tidy desktop. Extensive compatibility works seamlessly with various systems and software. The Artist Series Pen Display, 2nd Gen, is compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, Chrome OS, Linux, and Android. Explore your creativity with the new Artist. It also works well with various popular digital art software applications, such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CI, CDR, GIMP, Krita, and Medibang.